Hello. Today's video will be about setting up custom grades in a country file and then applying selected custom grades to a different country. In EzStamp, each country has its own grades definition file. For example, cancel to order stamps, commonly referred to as CTOs, are common in Soviet Russia occupied countries post World War II like Romania, Poland, Czechoslovakia, and many others. But they're not common in many other countries. With this in mind, it's now easy to copy only the custom grades from one country file to another instead of copying all the grades, which was the default until this new modification we made at a user's request. The process is fairly straightforward. I'll demonstrate with the Australia database where I've created several custom grades that I use, perfins, fiscal, cancel to order, and you can see them here. So these are grades that I've created just for Australia, and there's another one here called use to find 71. Let's look at the grade configuration editor from the utilities menu to show you how. So we go to utilities, grade configuration editor, and you can see these are all the grades that are defined for Australia right now. To make those grades available to other countries, we must first export the grades by clicking on the export icon, which is up here, and then supply a file name. So in this file, you can see all the green S's refer to supplied grades, and U are for user-defined grades. And here are the three that I've defined here. So let's proceed and export these grades. And then I'm going to call it the Australia custom grades file. I'm going to save it. And now those grades have all been exported. Now to import those grades to another country, we have two options. We can import all grades in that file to a new country in this way. So first we'll open the country we want to import these grades into. In this case, I'm going to import them into Great Britain. So let's open Great Britain. So to import all grades from Australia to Great Britain, we'd go to the grades editor again, and this time we can click on the import grades icon and select that file that we had saved previously, and you can see that they are all here. This is what it's going to import. As mentioned earlier, the user grades are indicated with a red U. Now, if I wanted to accept this, I would just click this green check mark here to save. But for now, I will not do so I can show you how to import just certain custom grades. So I'm going to close this. So this time, I'll go back to the utility grades editor. And this time we will do custom grades from file. We'll select that file we had exported. And as you can see, now it only lets you choose from the user created grades or the custom grades. So in my case, I just want the fiscal and the perfin. So I'm going to get rid of cancel to order and use very fine. Because fiscals and perfins are quite common in the Great Britain in the British stamps. So once I accept these, they will be available. I'm going to save them. And now if you look in the Great Britain file, you'll see that we now have perfins and fiscals available to us as custom grades. That's it for today. Let us know what custom grades you are using, as it's always interesting to see how users modify EzStamp for their own collecting needs. Enjoy.